So the Maverick made one wish going into the new year, but now I have to make another, which is more of a hope and a wish combined. I hope that what we're seeing with the West Indies team, the more disciplined and professional approach resulting in more competitive performances, we hope and wish that this is not a flash in the proverbial pan, and that the positive impact of Coach Phil Simmons and new captain Kieran Pollard is as real as it appears to be. And look, this is not another corner-turning argument, but even in the worst of times, the West Indies still managed to produce the odd world-class talent. Right now, we have 3 or 4 world-class talent in the current team. The wider problem was that these talent lacked professionalism and commitment and took them 2020 mentality to every format of the game. But since the advent of Simmons and Pollard, we're detecting a gradual change. We are seeing more thought and patience going into the cricket, which is what we're hoping and wishing is really happening. Sometimes things are not what they appear to be. But I hope and I wish my eyes are not deceiving me.